Have you ever seen glowing waves? If you want to see more videos of ocean science magic, subscribe for more. You may have seen the ocean glowing at night and wondered, why is it glowing? If you've never seen this before, you might be wondering, how is it even possible for the ocean to glow? Well, the ocean can glow at night due to a phenomenon called bioluminescence. In short, bioluminescence is when a living organism produces light. It's not the same as fluorescence, which is when a material absorbs light and then re-emits it. Bioluminescence is a chemical reaction that occurs within the bodies of certain organisms, and it often takes the form of a blue or green glow. Now, you might be asking, why would the ocean glow? Well, there are many reasons why different organisms might glow. For some plankton, it might be to help them communicate or attract their mates. For others, it might be to startle a predator, or even to lure their next meal. And some plankton use their glow to confuse their predators. That's because bioluminescent waves attract the attention of animals like jellyfish and fish, which eat the plankton. But since they're so bright, the flash of light also startles them, giving the plankton time to swim away. But wait, you might be thinking plankton are tiny, so how do they make light? Well, it turns out that many plankton have light-producing cells in their bodies called photocytes. These cells are located in a special light organ, and the light organs of some plankton can take up a significant portion of their volume. Some plankton, like the dinoflagellate Noctilucus scintillans, can even control where their light organs go by moving them around their bodies. This might help the plankton glow in specific places to confuse their predators or to make their mating lights extra bright. The ocean is full of bioluminescent organisms, and we're still discovering new ones all the time. So keep looking up at the night sky and down at the glowing waves the next time you at the beach. You never know what you might see. And remember, the ocean hides living lights. Subscribe for more sea science. Have you ever seen glowing waves at night? If you want to see more videos of ocean science magic, subscribe for more. Most of the time the ocean is dark at night because most of the light gets absorbed by the water. But sometimes you can see little flashes of light or even glowing waves. So why does the ocean glow at night? Well, there are lots of tiny organisms in the ocean like plankton that have a special ability called bioluminescence. That means they can produce their own light. They do this with a chemical reaction. The light can be different colors, but it's most often blue or green. And it's not just one big wave of light. It's actually a bunch of tiny little sparkles. These little lights use up to 90% of their energy for their defense or to communicate with other plankton. Sometimes they even use it to trick their predators. They might flash their lights to confuse them or make them think that they're actually a different, less tasty animal. Other times, they glow when they being eaten, so that their predator will be blinded and give them a chance to escape. There are also bigger animals, like jellyfish and comb jellies, that have bioluminescence. Their light can be even brighter, like the size of a full moon. They use their lights to lure in their prey or to scare off predators. So the next time you're at the beach at night, look out for glowing waves. You might just see some tiny little lights that are trying to protect themselves from being eaten. Or you might see a big, bright light from a jellyfish floating past. That's why the ocean glows at night. Do you know any other ocean facts? Share them below. And if you liked this video, share it with your friends. They might just learn something new about the ocean. This has been your host. Subscribe to see more.